Hi, wanted to just go over the OmniClean dual mop bucket system with you real quick. It has a clean water side and a dirty water side. This is the clean and this is dirty. It has two fill lines on each side, and you just want to fill the water up on this side initially and your solution on this side. For demo purposes, I am just using plain water here to show you how it separates the clean from the dirty water. This is your wringer. You just want to rub the mop up and down in there a few times to wring it out good before you mop. It has a spring-loaded head so that when you're finished mopping, it pops right back into place. An adjustable handle. So we'll just mop a little bit of an area here to pick up some of the dirt. You can see the dirt on the mop. Then you rub this up and down on the washboard, which is on this side here, on the dirty side. And it instantly takes most of that debris off of the mop head. Then you will rub it up and down again a few times to wring it out. Stick it in the clean water side. Wring it out. Then you're ready to mop again. So you just kind of repeat that process. They do recommend going back and forth in a figure eight motion. Wring the mop out again. And after 2 times, you can see how dirty that side is and how clean the clean side is. Pretty easy to handle. If you want to empty one of these, it holds 1.5 gallons of water, so you can take that and go dump it and come back, versus having to dump a complete mop bucket with the water and dirty solution in there. If you have questions, give us a call. Thank you.